Hello, it's Christmas, so today we have 3 stars. The first floor got 2 stars inside, and the end got 1 more extra star. It's both also beginner friendly, so enjoy the Christmas. Okay, so start from open up your hammock. And from in front to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Bring it the feet in so it's open up, kind of like cover the knee. And just climbing up, then both legs in. So starting to great to prepare. Open up your hammock and try to find in your edge, grabbing by 2 fingers and then grab all by another 3 fingers. Okay. And start from here. So grabbing the hammock, lean back slightly and open the knee to the side. Then edge of the hammock, bring it in forward and then in forward. So the first pose, star shape here. So straighten your arm and star pose here. Good, and a little bit of stretching your shoulders together. So bringing your hammock forward and lean and flying. Good. Coming up again. So try to balance here and then holding opposite direction to grab the hammock here. Then from here going to flip. So bringing the hammock forward and then bring your head in, lean and flip to going to cocoon pose. So always my Christmas hats is come out already. And from here, continue. So shoulders out first. Then bring it one side of the hammock. So this time, I grab in this way. Then the leg. Same side of the leg. Pulling yourself up to out until the hips out. It's kind of Santa Claus here. Then pulling yourself up. So this free leg, bring it up, in. So kind of seahorse pose here. Good. Going one more time, wrap. So pull yourself up to back leg, try to straighten again. One more time, wrap. Again, pause here. Then one knee in. Stabilize yourself first. Then open up this side of the hammock. Bring this knee inside. you're ready, bring it inside. Then again this edge of the hammock grab. Then turning your hips in front to kind of showing the pelvic in front side. Then open up to again star shape. Okay. Coming up, release. Again, grab beam bunch. This kind of pigeon leg, release first. Coming back here, then going forward, 2, unwrap 1 time, 2 times, and coming back down. One more extra star pose. So open up your hammock again and grab front edge of the hammock. Kind of this time toes out, knee in, and bring yourself up. And another legs. Good. So pull yourself up. Same time, open up your legs to the side. Bend your knee. Yeah. And edge of the hammock. Bring it in and pass to the hand. Open here. And grab. Left hand, bring it back to the side. Oops. Okay. Then open, open, stop. Release. And sit.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be